So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of classrooms right here. And if I were to go around and open up one particular classroom, let's say, for example, and then go around onto the classwork section, then you can see that I got a topic right here called extra right here, because that is what I actually created while creating an assignment right here. But what you can also do is you can simply go around and just create a topic right here. So you can go around and manage out your assignments in those topics accordingly. So to do that, you can go around and click on topic right here. And what you can do around over here, and let's say, for example, say course contents right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and type in course contents and click on add over here. So once you do that, you can see that it says the students will see the topic once it is added to it right here. Similarly, I can go around and click on the create button right here, click on topic, and then type around, let's say, for example, lecture slides right here, just like this. And what happens is that another topic is added in. And over here, you can see that this is what you have. You can also move it down right here or move the topic up right here, just like this, and arrange out the topics as you like as well, just like this. You can go around and click right here and it opens up that particular topic, as you can see. And from over here, you can rename out the topics as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say all course content and click on rename. And that is what you have. So now if I were to go around onto the classwork section, then this is what I have. So if I were to go around and click on the create button and click on assignment, then you can see that under the topic, you have these three topics as an option. And you can go around and click on create topic right here and then assign topic to it as well. So that is how you can go around and manage out topics in the classwork section in Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.